How to remove your cover on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your cover on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK and now click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points and then click edit profile, and here we'll find this icon here. Click on it and click delete, and that's it. Now just go back, click this one and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.